Here I have Huawei Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device, and also how you can use this mode, change its setting and stuff. So firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the sounds and vibration, and then to the Do Not Disturb. So here you can switch this mode. Here you can set up a schedule for it, like you can select days on which it will repeat, start time, end time of the schedule. You can also allow interruptions, like it could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorite contacts only, or from nobody. The same goes for messages. And you can also enable repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.